Hello dear children, welcome to maths class. Dear children, in 4 operations we are in second, that is subtraction. In subtraction we have already learnt about second main, arrange in columns and subtract. Okay, we have already done that, those sums. Now third main, fill in the blanks. Let's fill in the blanks. We need to find out the subtrahend here. See, some we need to find out subtrahend, some we need to find out a minute, then this is also minute and this is a subtrahend. So like that, difference they have already given here. Okay, this is a minute. Okay, minute is already given. Here we need to find out the subtrahend and the difference is already given here. So now 2,75,060 minus dash is equal to 1,43,850. We need to find out the subtrahend. For that there is a formula, dear children. I will let you know about it. See dear children, I have written here, fill in the blanks. 2,75,060 minus dash 1,43,850. Okay. So now this is a minute and this is subtrahend and this is difference. Okay, so answer is given, minute is given. One more, the subtrahend we need to find out. For that there is a formula, dear children. So minute, okay, minute minus difference. Okay, difference is equal to subtrahend. Okay, so this is the formula for this. Okay, so now let's write there minute. Minute is 2,75,060 is a minute. Okay, this is minute minus difference. Difference is 1 lakh. Okay, 1,43,850 is a difference. Okay, now we need to find out the subtrahend. So this is minute, this is what, dear children? Difference. Okay, this is difference and this will be subtrahend. So let's find out. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. Here, dear children, 0 and in 0 does 8 goes? No. So what you should do? Borrow 1 from 5. So this will become 10, dear children. Okay. 10 minus 8, how much? Yes, 2. How much is remaining here? 4 is remaining, isn't it? So 4 minus 3, how much? How much is remaining? Yes, 1. Now 7 minus 4, how much? 3. Yes, you are right. 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the subtrahend, dear children? 1,31,210 is the subtrahend. Okay, this is subtrahend, dear children. This is minute. Okay, this is difference. Okay, and this is subtrahend. The answer which you get is subtrahend, dear children. You need to find out the subtrahend. So after finding out, let's fill here. So this is 1,31,210 will be the subtrahend. So let's write in the textbook as well. Okay, see dear children, let's write 1,31,210. Okay, so this is the subtrahend. Minute, subtrahend and the, what is this? Yes, difference. Okay, so now this is the right answer. Next, the second one. Second one you see, dear children, minute is not given. Okay, subtrahend given and the difference is given. So what we should do? Find out. Yes, we should find out the minute. So there is a formula for that. Let's do those sum. See dear children, I have written here second one. So this is subtrahend, this is difference, and this will be minute. So we need to find out the minute dear children. Okay, so for this formula will be difference, okay, difference plus subtrahend dear children. Okay, difference plus subtrahend. Okay, so difference plus subtrahend is equal to minute. Okay, so this will be the formula for this. Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minute. So let's do the sum dear children. Okay, yes. So first difference, what is the difference here? 0. So write down 0. Okay, 0. Now plus subtrahend. Subtrahend, let's start from ones place dear children. Okay, 9, 8, 5. So here you need to add plus, because plus we have taken here formula, isn't it? So plus. Now let's do the sum. 0 plus 9, how much? Yes, 9. Then no numbers here, so what you should write? 9. Same numbers it will come. So 5, 8, 9. So this will be 58,899. So what is the, so this will be the difference. Okay, this will be the difference. This will be the, what dear children? This will be the subtrahend. Okay, and this will be the what? What dear children? Come on, tell me. Yes, minute. Okay, so this will be the minute. So let's fill up the blank. What will be the answer? Same as it is. 5, 8, 9. So this will be 58,899. Okay, so 58,899 minus 58,899, what will be the answer here? Difference 0. So like that we need to find out dear children. Okay, so let's fill the answer dear children here. So this will be 58,899. Okay, so this will be the minute. Okay, now third one you see dear children, dash minus 10,000 is equal to 1,000. So here we need to find out a minute. Subtrahend they have given, then the difference is the given. What we need to find out here? We need to find out minute. So what will be the formula for that? See dear children, I have written here. So this we need to find out the minute. This will be the subtrahend, and this will be the what? Yes, difference. So what will be the formula to find out the minute dear children? Yes, last sum we did know, isn't it? So difference plus subtrahend, okay, is equal to minute. Okay, so this will be the formula for that. So let's write the difference first. So difference, how many digits are there? 4 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So let's write 1000. Okay, so see dear children, I have written here 1000 I have written here. Then plus subtrahend. Subtrahend is 10,000. So start from the ones place to write 0 dear children, because from here if you start you will be not knowing where to add the numbers. So the answer will be wrong. So start from ones place 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1. Okay. So what you need to do here? Add, plus. Okay. So now 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Then here no numbers, dear children, in 10,000 place. Okay. So here 1 will come as it is. So what will be the minuend, dear children? Yes, minuend will be, tell. Yes, it's 11,000. So minuend will be 11,000. Okay. See here. So minuend will be 11,000. Okay. Got it now, dear children? So this will be the difference. So how you wrote? This is the difference. Okay. So this is a subtrahend. You need to add the difference and subtrahend. So you will get minuend. Okay. Okay, dear children, understood no? Okay. Okay, next, fourth one. See, dear children, let's fill the answer here. This will be 11,000. Okay, 11,000 minus 10,000. See, in that 10,000, if you will take out, how much is remaining? 1,000 is remaining. Okay, answer is 1,000. Isn't it? Here, difference. Okay, next, fourth one. Fourth one, you see, dear children. See, we need to find out the subtrahend. Okay, difference they have given. Subtrahend we need to find out, and the minuend is given here. Okay. So this is 1 lakh. 1 lakh minus dash is equal to 59,999. See, dear children, now this is a minuend. So we need to find out the subtrahend. Then this will be the difference. So what will be the formula for this, dear children? Do you know? Because we need to find out the subtrahend, dear children. We should not add. We should subtract. So what will be the formula? Minuend. So let's write the formula, dear children. Minuend minus difference. Okay, minuend minus difference is equal to subtrahend. Okay, so this we need to write. Formula is this. Okay, so minuend. Okay, this will be minuend. The formula is minuend. To find out the subtrahend, this is the formula, dear children. Okay, to find out the subtrahend, this will be the formula. To find out the minuend, that what previously I did, no, that will be the formula for that. Okay, so let's write. See, dear children, according to the formula, let us do the sum. Okay, so minuend is 1 lakh. Write here 1 lakh, dear children. So this will be 1 lakh. I am writing little far. Okay. Okay, so this will be 1 lakh. So minus difference. Difference is 59,999. How you are going to write? So this will be, start from ones place, dear children. 9. Okay, 9, 9, 9. Okay, then 5. So this will be 59,999. Okay. Okay. So now this is minus sign. So let's do the sum, dear children. See, in 0 can you minus 9? No. Your next number also is 0, 0, 0, 0. So first last number we need to take, because here no numbers. Okay, what you should do? The last number you should take. From 1, okay, from 1 cut this one and borrow here 1. So this will become 10. Okay. So this will become 10. From this 10, you need to borrow 1 and write here. So this will become 10. So here 1 you should borrow and take here. So this will become 10. Okay. Next, from here you should borrow 1. So this also will become 10. Okay. From here you should borrow 1. So how much this will become? 10. Okay. So now, okay, in 10, if you minus 9, how much is remaining? Yes, 1 is remaining. So from here we have borrowed 1 here. How much is remaining here? Yes, 9 is remaining. 9 minus 9? 0. Here how much is remaining? Because we have already taken 1 from here. So these all will be, 9 will be remaining in all the places. Okay. So from 9, if you subtract 9, how much is remaining here? 0. From 9, if you subtract 9, so here also 0. From 9, if you subtract 5, how much is remaining? Yes, 4 is remaining. Here 0, nothing is there. So what will be the subtrahend, dear children? So this will be how much? 40,001. How much is remaining? 40,001. So this will be the subtrahend. What will be this? This will be the subtrahend. Okay. So dear children, so this will be minute. Okay. So this is a difference. Okay. And this is a subtrahend. Okay. So let's fill up the subtrahend there. So this will be 40,001. See whether, to find out whether this is correct or wrong, what we should do? We should write the sum. Write the sum, this one. 1 lakh minus 40,001. So let's write to find out. So this is 1 lakh. Okay. Minus how much? 40,001. So 1, start from the ones place. Okay. So I have written here like this. See, this will be minute minus subtrahend. So let's see whether we will get the same difference or not. So now in 0 can you minus 1? No. So what you should do? Borrow. But here also 0, 0, zeros are there. So last number is 1. So take from there. So this will become 10. Okay. From here you should take 1 here. So this will become 10. Okay. So from here you take 1. So this will become 10. From here you take 1. So this will become 10. From here you borrow 1 here. So this will become 10. Okay. So from here 1, from here 1, from here 1 I have taken. How much is remaining here? 9, 9, 9, 9 is remaining in all the places. Here only 10 will be there. Okay. 10 minus 1 how much? 10 minus 1? Yes, it's how much? 9. Okay. Now in 9, if you minus 0, how much you will get? 9 only. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. In 9 minus 4, how much? Yes, 5. Okay. Here nothing is there. So did you get the difference, dear children? 59,999. See the difference here? 59,999. Yes. So this will be the correct sum. Okay. So let's fill up the answer there. Okay. Subtrahend here. It's 40,001. Okay. 40,001. Did you get, dear children? Okay.